Introducing our new reverse camera integration kit for 2007 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. If you have a factory touchscreen radio in your Jeep, this is for you. Capture an unobstructed view when reversing your vehicle. Equipped with an adjustable bracket, this custom kit will fit most OEM and aftermarket spare wheels, no matter the size or spoke pattern. This complete plug-and-play reverse camera integration kit makes it super user-friendly, with beginner-level ease of installation. Trail-ready, this durable kit features an IP67 rated camera and 12-gauge steel bracket with zinc-infused coating to withstand the harsh elements. Wide-angle camera with 170-degree view for increased visibility when reversing your Jeep. Selectable camera parking lines. You can choose to add to your camera view screen. For peace of mind, this kit also includes a full 3-year camera warranty. This rear camera integration kit also includes an optional extension for wheel clearance, mounting hardware, and a plug-and-play integration module. Don't miss out on this new Jeep upgrade. Order your reverse camera integration kit for Jeep Wrangler JK today.